Hello and welcome, Greg here from Stafford Land Rover, showing you today this approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque, here in a D200 Autobiography trim and finish an upgraded soul silver metallic paintwork that is guaranteed to turn heads. Plenty to enjoy with this vehicle with key equipment highlights featuring the stylish pixel LED headlight with signature DRLs, whilst around the side you also got these lovely 20-inch style 1085 gloss dark grey alloy wheels in diamond turn finish. In the rear, signature-shaped slimline full LED taillights will offer prominent illumination when travelling at night, as well as contrasting badging and decals are available with the addition of a sliding panoramic sunroof. For easy access, there is keyless entry and start with a power-operated liftgate, revealing a practical load area for luggage and weekly shopping that can be extended thanks to 40-20-40 split seats. Inside the cabin, two-tone ebony and light oyster leather upholstery will unlock seating for 3 in the back with their own air vents, all illuminated thanks to that sunroof, whilst the driver will further enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction heated steering wheel that also offers paddle shifts and fully operates the IDD interactive drive display digital dashboard. PV Pro connected touchscreen center will offer 2-zone climate control, heated front windscreen and even selectable drive modes for the all-wheel drive system. Built-in satellite navigation will ensure you never get lost, as well as there's FM and DAB digital radio. Additionally, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto projection is on offer with 3-stage heated front seats to keep you warm during the cold months. A host of active safety systems are also on offer to protect you and your occupants, and helping you park is a 3D surround parking camera offering visibility all round, and it comes especially handy when trying to navigate into tight corners and parking spaces. Down below there is a wireless induction charger available, whilst overhead a digital rear view camera. And even further up, you can easily operate the electric sunshade blind to reveal that stunning panoramic sunroof that can be also opened as well. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.